Welcome to my channel. This is Hot Mess and Hot Glue. I'm Lynn. Let's have some fun. I'm taking this clearance calendar that I found at Hobby Lobby. I paid $1.25 for it, so it really wasn't much more than, say, a Dollar Tree calendar. But this one was really fun. I had a friend of mine ask if I could make her a wreath, and she wanted it kind of tropical, kind of modern. It was completely out of my comfort zone. So I found this paper and I just kind of liked the pattern. I wasn't going to use the wording in the middle, but I did like that the gold went well with it because there's a gold accent that I'm going to be adding later. I'm just using my little pen Sharpie. It's a lot easier to hold. I'm just going to cut this out and you'll see me just try to fiddle with it a little bit. And it's mostly self-explanatory, but I'll pop in and let you know what I'm doing here and there. And this way you don't have to listen to me talk the whole time.
People still make mistakes. It isn't perfection. What is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy, reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see
I have these little pieces from the Dollar Tree, like it's the chess game, but they're just like these little tiny squares, and I just kind of wanted to add a little something to this. I didn't know if I was going to keep it a natural wood color or what I was going to do with it, but I just thought at the very least we need to add a little bit of something in that middle part. I was having a hard time really deciding what to put. As you saw, I was kind of looking at the rub-on transfers and nothing really just made me fall in love with it. So I thought these were a fun way to use up those little square pieces and add a little bit of dimension to this.
see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any
I thought maybe using a paint marker would work, but it just wasn't. I think it was because the paint underneath it that I had originally thought was going to look cute just wasn't quite set up enough. So I went ahead and just used my ink colored chalk paint by Waverly.
deep within. Here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one. Diving in to all this endless space.
This is that gold accent I was mentioning towards the beginning of the project. It's just a welcome sign that I got from the Dollar Tree. I actually picked up a few of them and I've used, I believe, all three now after this one. I'm removing the hanger portion on the back of that so it'll sit a little bit more flush to the welcome sign itself here. I think I called it a wreath earlier. That's really not what this is. I just used a little bit of hot glue in the areas where it was making the most contact just to try to make sure it was nice and secure. And then I add a hanger to it, and that's that.
Hold my breath, looking up. Life moves in ways that keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what was you and me
All right, and here it looks when it's all finished. I really enjoyed it. I put a cork border around the side of it. My friend actually said she really enjoyed it also. So if you guys wouldn't mind, please, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified anytime I post something new. Bye!